Dig a hole at least 18 inches deep and at least 6 inches wide. Using your fingers, pull out the 3 tri-grip anchor flaps and drop the TriView into the hole. Make sure the TriView is buried up to the bury line sticker. While keeping the post straight, backfill the hole and thoroughly tamp the soil to complete installation. Drive the U-channel post 18 plus inches into the ground. Slide the TriView over the U-channel and line up the TriView and U-channel posts with the drive rivet. Use a hammer to pound the drive rivet into the post to secure. Dig a hole at least 18 inches deep and at least 12 inches wide. Push the anchor bar through the pre-drilled holes on the bottom of the post and drop the post into the hole up to the bury line sticker. Backfill the hole while keeping the post straight. Thoroughly tamp the soil to complete installation.